All right, step one, you're gonna count out 20 sheets of paper, and I'd like you to fold each piece of paper in half neatly. I would do each paper one at a time so that you don't get a lot of overlap. Okay, once you have 20 sheets, you're going to make 4 booklets with 5 sheets in each booklet. To make a booklet, you'll take each sheet and you'll place one inside the other. Okay, 5 sheets will make 1 booklet. Repeat with the other papers. Okay, now you have 4 booklets. Each booklet has 5 sheets in each one. Take each booklet, open the booklet up, place a ruler on the spine, make sure the edge of the ruler or the start of the ruler is over here, and it should end at 9 inches. I'd like you to mark each inch mark. Then you're going to take a needle tool and poke a hole through all 5 pages. Be careful not to poke your finger. When you have poked the holes, you should have 8 evenly spaced holes, exactly 1 inch apart. Double check to make sure that they're done correctly. Repeat with all 4 booklets.